In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Notion 2026. To follow along, make sure you're already signed into your Asana account in a web browser. We'll start right inside an Asana project. Open the project where you want to enable the Notion integration. This could be any project you regularly use to track tasks or manage your team's work. Once the project loads, you might see an option near the top of the page that says Skip to Main Content. Go ahead and click that. This simply jumps you past any navigation elements and focuses the page on the main project interface, which makes it easier to see the controls we need. Now, look toward the top right of the project view for the project menu or any icon that opens project options. In the guide, this area is highlighted. Click that highlighted area to open the project options panel. This is where Asana keeps settings and tools that apply to the entire project. From this panel, choose Settings. The project settings window or sidebar will open, giving you several tabs to configure different aspects of the project. Here, we're interested in the Apps tab, which is where integrations live. Click on the Apps tab. This section shows apps that are already connected to your project, as well as options to discover new ones. To see the full catalog of available integrations, click on See All Apps. This will take you to Asana's app directory in your browser. In the app directory, look for the search bar and type in Notion. This narrows down the list so you don't have to scroll through every integration. When you see Notion appear in the results, click on it to open the Notion app page within Asana's directory. On the Notion app page, you'll see information about what the integration can do and how it connects your tools. Here, click on Install Notion for Asana. Asana will begin the installation process and may prompt you to authorize access. You'll then be redirected to Notion's Getting Started or Setup page for this integration. On that page, click on Explore. This usually opens a guided overview or workspace page showing how Asana tasks can appear inside Notion and how databases can be linked. Finally, follow the highlighted area on that Notion page and click it. This final click confirms or completes the connection between Asana and Notion for your workspace or selected pages. Once that's done, your Asana and Notion accounts are connected, and you're ready to start syncing tasks and using them together in your daily workflow.